I'm Jason Harker, Managing Director of JHPS Gardens. Thanks for thinking of applying for a position within our company. What we're looking for is a person that doesn't just want a job to pay the bills, but sees this role as a career. Our purpose is to transform lives, but we don't just mean the lives of our clients. We offer all of our colleagues a great financial package and further opportunities to develop to enable them to have a great life.
Our emphasis on culture and environment, people and results has had a huge impact. People want to work in a great place and work with great people.
Our company core values are an intrinsic part of our organisation because we use them in our day-to-day interactions. We show up on time, work hard, be productive and always look for opportunities to better ourselves.
It's what you achieve, how you share respect with others. It's about doing the right thing and following through.
Individuals who work hard and that apply themselves are capable of accomplishing significant things. But a team of people that are passionate and dedicated can achieve far more. They can transform their own lives and those they are connected to, whether that be the lives of colleagues, clients, and even their family. We aim to be the very best at everything we do.
From my perspective, a company is only as strong as the people it brings onto the team. What makes JHPS Gardens Limited stand out as one of the best places to work are the people that make up our team.
I can't imagine a better place to work than JHPS Gardens Limited. It gives you the chance to grow and develop your career, providing you with all the support you need along the way.
If you believe that you have the talent that JHPS Gardens is looking for, I believe that you have the leadership team that is willing to work with you to create that important work-life balance.
If you have found yourself agreeing with what has been said, and that your values are the same as ours, we would love to hear from you.